Some tips about enhancing self-esteem at work. Let's start at yourself. This positive daily review with 4 questions is a technique from positive psychology. The idea is that strengths become also visible in negative moments. For example, when you work hard on something, you might feel alive because you're using your body and your brains. Even on tough days, usually you can identify 3 enjoyable things. You might even discover strengths in areas where you considered yourself weak. For example, if you tend to be cautious, you will probably avoid acting blindly or irresponsibly or thoughtless. However, by acting thoughtfully and deliberately, you're in a great place to also learn step by step a little more courage. So by slightly shifting your perspective to focus on the positive rather than the negative, you can develop how you view yourself in a way that is based on your virtues. Let me give you this list of how-tos to enhance anyone's self-esteem. Helping to boost someone else's self-esteem sounds incredibly kind. However, as you can already hear in my voice, there's a catch. Be cautious about excessive compliments, also in workplace communication. You don't want anyone to become overly reliant on your praise for their self-esteem, whether it's a colleague or your boss or even your client, if you ask me. So today, here's my tip for boosting someone else's self-esteem. Avoid excessive compliments and instead change your perspective. Not only shift your focus from yourself to them, but also from them to yourself. Take a second and think about, how would I like feedback? And maybe this will prompt you to go back to your inner dialogue, as we have discussed it in the beginning of this video.